Good morning, welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, July 30th, 2019. Well, we have high pressure off the coast and a weak trough lingering around the Delaware River Valley, and that's going to mean the threat for a few isolated thunderstorms by this afternoon. But for this morning, with all the humidity in the atmosphere, we do have some areas of fog around 3 to 5 miles in visibility, otherwise some scattered low clouds, and temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-70s along the coast and in the urban areas, mid-60s to lower 70s over the interior, with dew points generally in the mid-60s and lower 70s. It just kind of feels a bit muggy out there. Winds from the southwest around 5 miles per hour for the most part. And also we do have the threat for an isolated thunderstorm this afternoon because of this pesky trough and this pesky trough. Now the cold front over the Great Lakes will not reach our neck of the woods until about tomorrow afternoon. And when it does, it's going to produce more widespread showers and thunderstorms. Not looking at much of a severe threat right now, but really can't rule out a thunderstorm producing wind gusts over 60 miles per hour in this scenario. But for the most part, the primary threat will be heavy downpours and localized flash flooding. And take a look at our latest satellite picture. Just some scattered cloud cover around the region. We have our cold front approaching well to the west over the Great Lakes. That will slowly inch its way towards our neck of the woods by tomorrow. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, watch out for an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. Other than that, look for scattered cloud cover with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 80s along the immediate coast. So you definitely want to head out to the shore. Lower to mid 90s everywhere else. There is a heat advisory out for the New York City Metro. Probably want to put it out for the Philadelphia Metro too. Basically, everyone away from the immediate beach will experience a heat index around the mid-90s. For tonight, look out for the threat for developing fog in the morning and an isolated shower or two. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s. For tomorrow afternoon, the cold front will be approaching the region with widespread showers and thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms will be strong with heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Can't rule out a severe thunderstorm either, with wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, maybe some small hail. Look for temperatures to range from the mid-80s to lower 90s. For Thursday, that cold front stalls over the coastal waters. We'll have more of a northwesterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. A little bit lower humidity, but can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, especially with that cold front lingering around. Look for temperatures on Thursday to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and lower to mid-80s for highs along the coast, mid to upper 80s over the rest of the region. Now on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, this frontal boundary is going to basically be wavering around and hanging around the region. So look for scattered cloud cover and a threat for an isolated thunderstorm or two in the afternoon, but really not a washout in any way, shape, or form. So if you have any plans for this weekend, certainly don't cancel them, but keep an eye to the sky. Temperatures through the period will range from the mid-60s to lower 70s for lows and mid-80s to lower 90s for highs. Now, those lower 90s will be somewhere around 90, 91 degrees and most likely in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. If you get a thunderstorm, you're not going to reach the 90s, but it will be a little bit more humid. So definitely keep an eye on that. Other than that, it's going to be a pretty tranquil period in terms of going to the beach or having a party outside or going to the park, so definitely enjoy the weather. That is the forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.